Hello. I hope you can hear me. We'll be starting in a couple of seconds now. Okay. Let's go back. Let's make it a bit smaller. So I started yesterday working on replicating this site. Let's make it bigger. The site is called Habitica and it's a habit tracker. There we go. I'm not doing this oh, I lost the word there. Okay, when it changes when you make it smaller. Oh man, I lost the word. But I'm trying to replicate as much as I can. This, trying not to look at the actual code. This is just a practice for me to relearn some of my CSS because I suck at it and I want to get better. So far I've done this, which is the top nav. Well, almost the top nav. I need to, as you see, I need to keep working on the right side here. And also, I'm having a problem where the site expands more than the width of my window, and I think today I'll try to tackle that. I will be streaming for about an hour, maybe a bit less, because I have to go pick up my daughter. So let's get started. Okay, I will start by trying to figure out why I'm having all this space here. So we have the nav, the wrapper goes up to there, and the nav bar exceeds it. Let's mark this as our current window, and yeah, now we can reload it from the editor. So the width of the navbar is 100%. I wonder. That's HTML 1240. Body, the wrapper goes up to there. The navbar. Okay, let's take a look. Navbar.scss. Oh, first, sorry. I think from yesterday, I think I can actually remove all this code, and that's because we simplified the how the navbar is actually created. So it shouldn't be changing anything, and it did change something. Okay. Also, I need to make this bigger. I'm trying to get the window as small as I can without triggering. There you go. Without changing its appearance. So, okay, that's working. So I wonder, let's start playing a bit with this, because I'm not actually understanding what's happening here. We have some padding, which is fine. We have our content. Okay, let's try, instead of making this the width, setting it at max width. Okay. Now, why did that change it? I'm not understanding this, because okay, I will have to read some documentation, but for now, let's set this as the max width. Reload our page, and we still have the width of the scroll bar. But okay, I'm still happier with this than what we had yesterday, so that's progress, I guess. So let's change this to span and reload, and that will that should have separated this, but it didn't, and that's probably because I did this just for the logo. Okay, let's move it. Here. So I'm not sure who is watching, so I'll just repeat this just in case you wasn't yesterday watching the stream. So what this does is it will add a left margin to the second element when it finds a structure like this. So if we have an I like here, and next to it a span like here, it will add some spacing on the left of the span. So let's save, and if we reload, these two divs, or these two items should have a more separation, and there's the margin. So that looks nice. Now let's navbar block. Okay, what we need to do here is make the icons bigger. And how do we want to do that? I think our two options are adding them to the items, or so adding a new class to the item. For example, we can say navbar item and we can say big icon or something like that, or icon big. The other option would be to add it to the nav, but I think I'll do it like this. Okay, so we have our I can't use Emacs today. We have our item and we'll say item dash dash icon big and we'll say I font size 1.2 EMs, and let's see if that looks right. Maybe a little bigger. 1.4. Okay, let's okay, that's not working. Navbar item. So we have navbar item. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Okay. That's there, and oh, there's something I need to change here. I'll come back to that in a minute. Did I mess something up? Reload. That doesn't work. It's not getting broken. So it's this one. Inspect. Number item, icon big. Color. Background color. what am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong here? Navbar underscore underscore item, which is this. In fact, let me just copy this. Dash dash I can't see the problem here. What the hell is happening? Inside a navbar. Font family. I don't see the background color changing there. Why? Why? Background color gray, that works. I don't know what the problem is. This should work. I don't like it, but it should work, and it's not working. So I'm doing something wrong. Wrong. Okay, first of all, I can't do it like that, and I like it more like that, but still doesn't work. Okay, that's okay. Oh, I see. I have to put it inside the item. I wasn't doing it, and now it works. That's pretty. Padding, font. Okay. And now, of course, we have the big font. And let's move it back to 1.2, 1.4 maybe. Yeah. Three. And now it looks a bit better. Okay. I like this. So now I say dash icon big, and the coins should get bigger. Okay. Okay, now I think if I remove the space on the scroll bar, I can make it better still. So let's take a look at CSS. Max width 100% minus scroll bar. Let's see if we have a easy fix for that. Without scroll bar, but avoid scroll bar. Sorry. Or the other thing we can ask is how CSS, how to get the width, the bar width. Maybe we have a good way to do that, and if we find a CSS property that gives us the scroll bar width, would be very nice. If not, I might just calculate it and subtract it by hand. And I'm scrolling pretty quickly because it's all JavaScript and I don't want to deal with JavaScript. Scroll bar width. Okay, that looks promising. It's a property that controls the width or thickness of the scroll bar. It's likely to be included. Okay. Scroll bar width none. Okay, that is how to set it. But I would like to understand how to get it. Scroll bar. The other thing I can try to do is set the scroll bar width and use that width. Yeah, I think I will do it something like this. So on the application CSS, I will paste that and ampersand, and of course, well, first of all, let's try this. And now it's broken. Okay. Scroll bar track. The background on the bar itself, it's usually covered by other elements. Seven different pseudo elements that together comprise a full scroll bar UI element. The background, WebKit resizer, the corners, thumb. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to deal with this. Did I broke it with this? Okay, no. Huh, and we still have that extra width there. Huh. Okay. Let's just remove it. And okay. Wait a second. Let's change it to viewport width. Oh, come on. And what if I calculate it and subtract 1 EM? Did it change? I'm not sure. Let's duplicate the tab, roll it back, reload, and no. 100 calc -1 rem, and nothing changes. Okay. Let's inspect this part. And wrapper theme goes up to there. The body, I cannot see it. If I change that, nothing happens. So let's change it on the wrapper. Oh, that's the problem. I have to do it here. Calc -1 rem, and yes, that removed the scroll bar on the bottom. That looks nice. And now we have our right margin. Looks like it's appropriate. Margin, that's the content. And let's go inside to the second block. Align items to flex start. Huh, okay. Okay. Okay, so we'll have to change some names. And no, we don't. This is not right. This should be an element. And now we have so this one is block left and this one is block right, and we'll say left justify content flex start, and on the right on flex end. And this will mess up what we had, probably. Oh, okay. Now I broke everything. And that's because I will have to actually put that in order to pick up all this information. And yeah, I can remove this because it's redundant, or I can just leave it like that to have consistency, and if at any point we want to change the default, we can just change it in one place. So yeah, I think I like that idea better. Yeah. Now okay, let's change everything to icon big. Oops, I reloaded the wrong page. Yeah, and the size is perfect for that, so like that. And now it looks ugly as all hell. And I lost the font weight and I lost all of that, so I will have to there. No, there, and there. And now we have all our icons. And Okay, I see what's happening with this. These two are too separated, and I think that if I just remove this, they will get closer. Huh, that's looking nicer. And now let's say that if we find a span followed by an I, we'll add some margin. Point 5. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happier. Okay. And the same thing with these three. If we reduce this separation here with an do we want the nav bar between these? I don't think so. They become very, very close, but we'll use the same method here and space it, yeah, like that. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, a bit more. 0.75 em. And that's it. I'm not touching it anymore. I like it like that. Yeah. What changed here? The padding on the left is right, but on the right okay, is the block, where do we have the block? Big icon, navbar, block right, content, no padding. Oh, so the padding is sorry, either on the nav, which is not, or in the nav bar. Okay, I'm happy leaving it like that for now. I don't want to keep fighting with this. What do you say? Yeah, and I have 20 more minutes. Let's add Oh, okay. No, 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 no. No, I'll have to change this. Icon big. So okay, so here we have a bit of a problem. We need to change the color of these two. Of this one, sorry, this one, the diamond and the coins. Yeah, that's that's not a problem. We can just add a new class there. But I don't really like that. I don't really like that. Because I'm cluttering this with too many classes. I think this looks nice by itself, being kind of an entity. So what we will do is comment out these two. We will add navbar gem navbar gem. Do we like that? Of course, this should be breaking everything, and it did. Let's make it a span, and the same with this. And I will call it coin instead of coins, because on the actual site is one coin, and we might want to change it. Or let's say how did I call it in the model? Gold. Okay, gold. And now let's bring this back here, down here, sorry, and it's okay, navbar gem, so we can put it here. Where is the navbar? Nav navbar. Okay, yeah. And let's say navbar, how did I call it? Gems. Yeah, I like gems better because it's the number of gems the user have, or diamonds, or whatever they're called. No, gems. Okay. And let's say gold. Reload it, and we have that, which is fine. And this bar will have now a name. Navbar underscore underscore how is this called? How is this called? Notifications, sync, and user. I will call it menu because I have no imagination. Navbar menu, so we have menu, menu bar, menu something. Yeah, just menu, whatever. And inside of that we have 3 eyes, and we need to sorry, let's take a look at this. We have that. Where is our menu? Inspect. Oh, I need to reload probably. And now inspect this, and we have our menu, and we have these 3 eyes. So display flex, justify content, space between, and I don't know if that will change anything. No, but what we need to do here is this thing, maybe remove some padding. I don't know. Are the icons bigger? Yes, the icons are bigger. Font decoration, no, font weight. Inspect this. Font style, font rendering line, family size, font weight. No. Come on. Font weight, initial light or normal. Okay. Huh. Okay, oh, so it's normal. I want to touch it. Font size, let's say 1.2 EM. Okay. Do we have the same padding as before? Here, yeah, because we didn't touch. Oh no, we have more padding. Okay. And let's say with 100 pixels. I don't know how to calculate it, so let's start trying out. Yeah, 120 pixels. And padding, let's fix the padding here. Okay. inspect this again. Padding 19, padding 1 rem. Did anything change? 16, okay. That will make them extremely big. I don't seem to be able to locate them in the right place, and I don't know why. I don't know why. So the coins are different. This is too bold. I don't like that style. Font, weight, lighter. Normal. Okay, that didn't work. I'll leave it like that. It's okay. What do you say? That looks very similar. Let's just change colors. Okay, color red now. Here because it's the color change is just for the icon. Perfect. So that and I won't dwell too much on the color because this should be probably an image. So I'll just use my color picker. And let's just pick one of the greens we have here, and for this one let's go with the darker yellow or gold. That looks okay for me. That looks fine. Fine. Okay. Font awesome. Let's go to the icons, and I'll be finishing this stream probably in 5 minutes. So I just want to I just want to try to find this one solid. Come on. Is the S for solid? Fast? Yeah. Yeah, that looks more similar. Okay, that's my alarm. I'll stay for a couple of extra minutes, but I'll be finishing very soon. Okay, let's commit here. Ignore. at the top level, SAS cache SCSS goodbye. So removed SAS compilation files from project, and let's just make one big commit saying finished navbar. Yay! Commit reward top bar, because I called it top bar in the previous commit right here. And that's it for today. I'll try to stream tomorrow. I'm not sure if I will be able to, but if I do, in the afternoon, I will deal with this part of the site. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and see you soon. Bye bye.